Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlords, umkhokha the curse, I'm late. Please do not deal with me. Right, it's elections month and then we are like 2 days to go, right? I'm not counting this Sunday obviously, but it's hectic. Work is hectic, but as soon as the elections go, it will be back to normal working duties. That with that said, can we talk about umkhokha the curse? Umkhokha is kokaring, guys. Umkhokha is kokaring. All right. Umenga is starting to stalk uNobuntu to an extent yokuthi he called uNobuntu, threatening uNobuntu, saying, if you dare talk to the police, I will deal with you. I even know that you're getting baptized tomorrow. Ngapha uNobuntu is continuing to speak to the police and she has turned state witness. Now Menga bought uNobuntu a flight ticket so that they can fly away together or whatever. Babe Bonnie and Klein. So now I'm like, Umenga is he's cuckoo. He's not normal. Because uNobuntu right now, after he left her in that mess, how do I then trust to go with you to another foreign country? What if you leave me in a foreign country stranded? Like, no. So it looks like uNobuntu is not buying the Bonnie and Klein type of thing, right? All right, sharp. Kube Mabusi acele uzamxola ukuthi ucela ukuhambisa umntwana kibo because now isikhathi sesindlulile umntwana seyangaphumela ngaphandle. So I think the child was not supposed to go out for 3 months or whatever, or until something is done for him at the church or something. I don't know the rules of this church, but nonetheless the child was unable to go out of the house for that duration of time, and therefore Umabusi was unable with the child. Well, when she introduced rather that idea to Uzamkolo plain refused and said no, not with my child. So she is puzzled. She doesn't know what's going on, while we know what's going on, while Uzamkolo knows what's going on, right? Okay. Umam Zobe took Zamkolo's advice and decided to sleep. Girl decided to sleep and say she's not going to be baptized. I upakatoya figure marinate. I atambege girl. You know, when your man knows where to touch you, your man knows what to say for you to do the things that make the post to be done, right? So upakatoya did just that. What's marinate? Hi, atinte humam zobe ati gumuntu wakhe. Let me pray to Umvelasi, and then after I pray we'll go. Then tells Umvelasi while looking at the water that this is what I need to do, even though she's been hearing the voices. Hi ugel, what is been diabulala? Sibin diapilisa. Pakati inside the water, got into the water. I baptize you in the name of Umthembu, in the name of, okay, Umthembu is the son. Okay guys, yeah. No. I baptize you in the name of Umthembu, but man, the second time when Mam Zobe's head rose, it was no longer Ukachen. Now it was Umvelasi Kobolwak. Guys, Mam Zobe disappeared. Mam Zobe disappeared. Begu Mam Zobe. Yay! Hey, I wonder who will reappear after how long. But yeah, that's what happened on Umkhokha the curse. When I come here Monday, I will deliver. I don't want to make false promises, but I pray that works become easy and then I'm able to come and report. But yeah, I love you. Peace. Bye.